Good morning. Today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter 2, acids, base and salt. Acids, bases and salts. This is our second chapter. The two main sources of most of the chemical substance are first one animals and plants, second one rocks and minerals. The chemical substances are obtained from animals and plants, that is living things. Animals and plants, that is living things. Such substances are called organic compounds. Organic compounds. The chemical substances are obtained from animals and plants or living things. Such chemical substances are called organic compound. Such chemical substances are called organic compound. Then next category, the chemical substances are obtained from minerals and rocks. Such substances are called inorganic compounds. Inorganic compounds. Organic and inorganic compounds. Okay. The earliest classification of inorganic compounds, of including large organic compound. We are the basis of their taste. The organic compound, they are the basis of their taste. They are classified into three types. First one, acids. Second one, bases. And third one, salts. These are the three classifications. Acids. Acids are the chemical substance which have sour taste. Such substances are called acids. The chemical substance which have sour taste. The acid, the word coming from the Latin word acidus. The Latin word acidus. Acidus means sour. Lemon, tomato, tamarind. These are the examples of acids. Then bases. Bases are the substance which have bitter taste. Washing soda, then baking soda are the examples of bases. Bases have bitter in taste. The next category is salt. The salts are obtained from acid and base combined to form salts. Example, sodium chloride, then copper sulfate, etc. are the examples of salts. Acids, base and salts. Acids, the chemical substance which have sour taste. The word acid is coming from acidus, that is Latin word. It means sour. The next one, base. Bases are the substance which have bitter taste. Okay, third one, salt. Salts are formed from combination of or combined with the acid and base to form salt. Sodium chloride, caustic soda are the examples of salts. Thank you.